Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer, skincare educator with TATCHA. Our brand is a skincare collection inspired by the beautiful Japanese women, particularly the geisha women. These rituals that they have practiced on their skin for centuries is something that has been kept a secret and has kept their skin so beautiful. So we really look to them for inspiration to see what kind of ingredients, what kind of formulations that they were using. And then we take it back to our scientists at the TATCHA Institute where we marry it with that science to give you the best formulations that we can. We look into what's proven, what has worked, and what is really kind to the skin. We work with every formulation as if it was a couture dress, and everything truly is a labor of love. I want to walk you through our core 4-piece ritual today to show you what TATCHA is really about and where you can start if it's something that you've been considering. The first step is the Pure Camellia Cleansing Oil. If you are afraid of oils, I just want you to hear me out because that was the way I was too. The cleansing oil here will not leave your skin with an oily residue or this filminess afterwards because this oil actually mixes with water. So not only does it melt away all the SPF, any makeup that you're wearing, Halloween makeup, lash glue on the strip lashes that I'm wearing right now, cream foundations, waterproof makeup, shadow, primer, waterproof mascara, everything. Let me show you exactly what I mean when it says it mixes with the water. I have a beaker of water right here. I'm going to pump some oil in there directly. And you see how that it is immediately just mixing with the water? It is not separating at all. What I'm going to do is actually show you what it could do for your skin when you remove the makeup. So come with me to my bathroom, let's pop on over and see what that can look like. So the first thing you want to do is start with dry hands and dry face. I'm applying a few pumps of the oil into my hands, and I'm just going to apply it directly onto my face. Now I am wearing cream-based foundation, powder foundation, and I'm wearing concealer, cream-based concealer. I'm wearing lipstick, long-wearing lipstick. I'm wearing brow pencil on my eyebrows, so you can see they're melting right away. And I'm wearing eyeliner. I'm wearing waterproof mascara. I am wearing strip lashes that require glue. And you will see that all melt away in just a few moments. See, as soon as I add water to my cheek, you can see how it's turning that milky white consistency, and it's not beating up at all because it is just getting rinsed off with water because it is emulsifying and mixing with the water. All my makeup is removed. My brows that I drew on are removed. My mascara is completely gone. Those strip lashes, the lash glue on my lids, completely gone. All my eyeliner is removed, blush, foundation, everything. It's just my skin is super smooth, super soft. The next step is the rice polishing enzyme powder. I really love this polish because it gives you a nice exfoliation, but it's an enzymatic exfoliation. We actually have 4 different variations of this particular polish. One is for gentle, one is gentle for drier skin. We have something called deep, which is for oily skin. We have indigo for very delicate skin, but this one here is for normal to combination skin, so it'll be for 95% of you. So this actually, unlike the oil, we're starting with wet hands and wet face. I'm going to pour some of the powder right onto my hand. You don't need that much, just about half a teaspoon. And you're gonna start adding some water. Once you add water, it immediately lathers up into a gorgeous foam. I mean, look at that. All the powder granules are completely dissolved. So again, you're not using the powders or anything abrasive to scratch at your skin. This is an enzymatic exfoliation that comes from the papaya enzymes that are in this formulation. And so right now, all I'm really feeling is just this beautiful cloud-like foam sweeping across my cheeks and the rest of my face. You're gonna massage this on for about 10 to 15 seconds and allow those papaya enzymes and those rice extracts to really get to work onto your skin. You're getting anti-aging, beautiful ingredients in here like the Hottest 3 that we have in all of our TATCHA treasures. That Hottest 3 is made up of Japanese uji green tea extract, rice from Akita, Japan, and red algae from Okinawa, Japan. Once it's done massaging in, you're gonna rinse it off with water and then dry your face. So now my skin already feels really, really smooth. You can really use it twice a day, every day. So this is what I love about it. The next step in our core ritual is the essence. In a test after 5 minutes, it showed an increase in hydration on your skin by an average of 148%. Not with any moisturizers or anything else, like just the essence itself. So it's just a really wonderful step that's really, really quick, but it's so effective. Just tip it over, 1 to 2 shakes. There's a stopper spot built right in, hands in prayer position, and you're just gonna press it into your skin. Oh, it feels so good. This is my favorite step, and I love it. I actually love putting it all over my arms and my legs too when I get out of the shower, but it just is so refreshing. 98.7% of it is all nutrients, so you're getting fermented Akita rice, uji green tea, and Okinawan red algae. Now the last step to our core ritual is the moisturizing step with our silk cream. I love the silk cream because of its texture and its hydrating properties. The formulation of this moisturizer really is so amazing. All you need is a little bit, so it comes with a golden spoon that you can use to just scoop up. Just this. This is all you need for your whole face. I like applying it to my cheeks first, forehead, and my chin, and working it in like so. So when you apply the silk cream, you'll notice that it is this beautiful gel-like moisturizer that's hydrating, but really not heavy at all. There are actual real silk extracts in here, and there's Aquia pearl extract that's gonna give your skin a gorgeous luster. Aquia pearl is actually known to be one of the most brilliant pearls that you could find in Japan, and it's why we use that particular pearl to extract and marry into our formulation to give your skin just a nice glow and radiance. We first learned about silk being this incredible ingredient from silk workers. Silk workers were constantly running their hands through silk fabric throughout the day, and one day they noticed that their hands were really smooth and cherubic, and they wondered why that was. Well, it turns out the silk fibers is what was helping their hands to look so smooth and youthful. Geisha women found out about this, realized that silk was this amazing ingredient, and it's part of the reason why we infuse it into our silk cream. It's really gorgeous. This beautiful texture, again, is gel-like. It is not heavy, it's not gummy, and it just gives you lasting hydration. Thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity to share a little bit of information and heritage about our brand, the collection, and what our core ritual really looks like. I hope that if you have a chance to get it at home, that you enjoy it as much as we do. I'm wishing you the most glowing skin.